is JULISSA PRADO. I'm the founder and CEO of Rizos Curls hair care line. And today, we're gonna talk about straight hair tendencies. The amazing Dazy Lyn of Dazy Lyn Studio coined the term straight hair tendencies to refer to things that people do that are for straight hair that do not apply to curly hair and are actually detrimental to not only you achieving great volume, but also great curl pattern. Today, we're gonna focus on 3. The first straight hair tendency is when you get out of the shower and what do you do immediately is part your hair in the middle, just like this. Bad. This is not a good idea. The reason why this is bad, as Dazy Lyn has shown us so many times, is when you part your hair in the middle, you're literally making your roots fall in that direction and they're not able to just be voluminous. Second straight hair tendency is once you part your hair in the middle, so many girls are like, okay, now it's time for me to detangle, and just start detangling their hair like this, literally just like messing up their entire curl pattern, brushing their hair down, and pretty much setting up the foundation for their hair to be flat, the roots to be, just really not voluminous, and their curl pattern to not be extra formed. The third straight hair tendency is people will now just take their favorite hair product, put too much product on, and then start just sectioning off their hair and just like putting it all the way in and just kind of pushing it through, maybe scrunching a little bit and then drying. And pretty much what this creates is that your hair just dries in this vicinity, it doesn't get voluminous, and your curl pattern is not enhanced. It just barely kind of goes anywhere and you are left with not voluminous curls. So to review, the 3 straight hair tendencies that you should not do is number 1, do not just part your hair right in the middle when you get out of the shower. Do not just come over and then start detangling and brushing your hair down when you get out the shower. And do not take your favorite product and use so much and too much of it all over your hair that it just weighs your entire curl pattern and your entire hair down and does not allow you to be voluminous and live your best curl life.